Hello, welcome to the show DC Decoding Cybersecurity, where we explore the ever evolving world of cybersecurity. I am Rakesh Nayam, your host and guide on this journey. I have over 16 years of experience in the field of information security, and I hold certifications like CISSP and CISM, which have allowed me to dive deep into the complexities of cyber defense, incident response, and the constantly shifting security landscape. Now, you may have heard that cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing fields out there. But what does that really mean? Well, in this podcast, we are going to peel back the layers, cutting through the buzzwords and headlines to show you what it takes to be at the forefront of this industry. Whether you're just starting out studying for certifications like Security Plus, or aiming for advanced credentials like CISSP or OSCP, this podcast is designed for you. For those of you just joining us with a passion for technology or curiosity about how the world of cybersecurity works, you are in the right place. And for those already in the field looking to sharpen your skills and stay on top of the latest threats, we've got you covered too. My goal is to offer insights that go beyond the basics, helping you to build a solid foundation and stay ahead of the curve in this dynamic field. As someone who spent years working hands-on in this field, I know that cybersecurity is more than just a job. It's a mindset. The threats we face today are evolving faster than ever. And staying secure requires a combination of technical expertise, critical thinking, and a constant willingness to learn. For those of you just starting out, I understand that the world of cybersecurity can seem intimidating at first. There's so much to learn, from networking to cryptography, penetration testing to incident response. But here's the thing. Every security professional, myself included, started somewhere. We all began as curious learners navigating a sea of information. The key is to break it down into manageable steps, and that's exactly what we are going to do together. In this first season of DC, Decoding Cybersecurity, we are going to cover everything from the essential skills you need to break into the field, to deep dives into certifications like CISSP, CISM, and OSCP. You'll get actionable insights, practical tips, and up-to-date information on the latest cybersecurity trends, all packed into concise, easy-to-digest episodes that you can fit into your weekly routine. Today's episode is the perfect starting point where we'll explore how to break into cybersecurity, what skills you need, the best learning resources, and how to approach certifications. So, whether you're taking your first steps or looking to level up your career, stay with me. Together, we'll unravel the complexities of the cyber world, and you'll see there's a path for everyone who is willing to learn and stay curious. All right, let's dive in. Whether you're just finishing college or considering a career switch, cybersecurity is one of the most exciting, dynamic, and rewarding fields you can break into today. The demand for skilled security professionals is at an all-time high, and as the world becomes more connected, the need for defenders in the cyberspace is only going to increase. But here's the big question. How do you break into cybersecurity, especially if you're new to the field? The good news is, it's very possible. And today, we are going to walk through the exact steps you can take to start your journey. Let's start with the core skills you'll need to build a solid foundation in cybersecurity. These skills are essential, whether you're fresh out of college, switching careers, or just getting started. Let's begin with the technical skills. Networking fundamentals. Understanding how networks works is critical. You need to know how data moves across a network, the protocols involved, For example, TCP/IP, DNS, or HTTP, and what vulnerabilities exist at each layer. Operating system knowledge. Familiarity with both Windows and Linux operating systems is key, as you'll likely be securing both the environments. Learning how to navigate command line in Linux, for example, is a valuable skill. Then basic scripting and automation. You don't need to be a programmer, but understanding basic scripting with languages like Python or Bash can help automate tasks and make your life easier in cybersecurity. Understanding cyber threats. You need to have a clear understanding of the common cyber threats out there. For example, malware, phishing attacks, ransomware, and more. Along with the technical skills, soft skills are also must. Problem solving and critical thinking. Cybersecurity professionals are problem solvers at heart. When I say problem solvers, not the personal problem solvers, but the cybersecurity, problem solvers. And I know my peers from the information security community must be nodding their head when I said problem solvers. Yes, we are the problem solvers, and we face new and complex challenges, whether it's identifying vulnerabilities, responding to breaches, or analyzing security incidents. And then attention to detail. The ability to notice the smallest discrepancies in logs or traffic can often make the difference between catching a breach early and a full-scale incident. Don't worry if you don't have the skills yet. These are things you'll learn as you go, and I'll be pointing you to some great learning resources next. Now that we know the core skills, let's dive into how you can actually learn them. Fortunately, there are a lot of resources out there. Many of which are free or low cost. Let me walk you through some of the best places to start learning cybersecurity. Online learning platforms. Cybrary, one of the most popular platforms for cybersecurity training. They offer both free and paid courses on a wide range of topics, from beginner level networking to advanced pen testing. They even have Security Plus and CISSP Plus certification prep courses. Udemy, another great platform for affordable courses. Look for courses that cover Security Plus, network basics, or ethical hacking. Instructors like Mike Myers and Jason Diane are well known in the certification space. Try Hack Me and Hack the Box. If you want to get hands-on experience with cybersecurity tools and techniques, these platforms offer labs and challenges that teach you real-world skills in a fun and interactive way. Coursera. They offer university-level courses from institutions like Stanford and University of Maryland. These courses are more academic but provide deep dives into topics like cryptography or incident response. Then books and guides. CompTIA Security Plus Study Guide by Darrell Gibson, a top-rated book to help you prepare for the certification. The Web Application Hacker's Handbook, a must-read if you are interested in penetration testing or ethical hacking. We also have cybersecurity communities, Reddit Cybersecurity and NetSec, active forums where you can actually ask questions, read about the latest threats, and connect with others in the field. I know that most of you already know about the LinkedIn Learning. Many professionals post updates, blogs, and job opportunities related to cybersecurity there. If you are just out of college or if you do not have a LinkedIn profile yet, I bet you create one. The key here is consistency. Setting aside time each day or week to dive into these resources gradually help to build your knowledge. Certifications can be a game changer when you're trying to break into cybersecurity. Two of the best entry-level certifications I recommend starting with are CompTIA Security Plus and Cybersecurity Analyst Plus. Let's break them down. Security Plus certification. What is it? It is from CompTIA. It's an industry standard entry-level certification that covers basic cybersecurity concepts like network security, threats, vulnerabilities, identity management, cryptography, and more. It's a great way to show potential employers that you have a solid understanding of the fundamentals. CISSP Plus certification. Again, another certification from CompTIA is a step up from Security Plus. It focuses on threat detection, response, and defense. If you're looking to get into roles like SOC analyst or incident responder, CISA Plus is an excellent choice. The key to tackling the certifications is to first understand the exam objectives, study consistently using both video courses and books, and then test yourself with practice exams. Don't just memorize the answers. Focus on truly understanding the concepts. Breaking into cybersecurity may seem like a daunting task at first, but with the right skills, resources, and certifications, you will be well on your way. So let's quickly recap. Start with the fundamentals: networking, operating systems, and basic security concepts. Then use resources like Cybrary, TryHackMe, and Udemy to build your knowledge. Finally, choose your first certification. Security Plus is a fantastic entry point. Once you have mastered that, you can advance to more specialized certifications like Cybersecurity Analyst Plus, which is called as CISA Plus, or even CEH if ethical hacking interests you. Remember, this is a journey. Take it one step at a time, set small goals, and be consistent in your learning. With dedication, you'll find yourself becoming more confident and capable in no time. Stay tuned for next week's episodes, where we'll dive into security frameworks like NIST and ISO 27001 and how they'll apply to real-world cybersecurity. Until then, keep learning, keep curious, and keep securing the future. Bye-bye.